What's up, you guys? It's your girl Eva, the real Eva Maria, and I am back with another YouTube video. 2 freaking years later. It's been 2 freaking years. That's a long break. But I did tell myself that I did not want to come back to YouTube unless I was going to actually be consistent, because I really wasn't feeling the on and off to making a YouTube video here, posting 3 months, 6 months later, 8 months. Like I don't like that. So I told myself, I don't care how long the break will be, but I'm not coming back onto YouTube. I'm not uploading a video until I choose to actually be consistent on here. Because when, I don't know if y'all look up to anybody or like are inspired by anybody on YouTube, and it's kind of like disappointing, and not, I wouldn't just say disappointing, but it's kind of like, I don't know, you just feel like, when's the next upload? When you really like a YouTuber and their content. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna wait till I'm actually consistent on here. And y'all excuse my morning voice. I just got up and I don't know, just recording off the dome pretty much. 2 years. That's been a long break. And right now I'm not recording from my camera. I'm recording from my phone, which is another thing that I told myself, whether I have to record from my phone or my camera, make the content, make it happen. I did actually invest in another phone that has way more storage, so I don't have to worry about running out of storage space when it comes to YouTube videos or any short form content. Cause this phone of mine, this is my personal phone, and it runs out of space so fast. I can never record a video on here, but this phone should do the trick. I do have a camera though, the Canon G7X, so I'm good. I should be good on the YouTube. But yeah, y'all, it's 2025. Crazy. 2024 flew by. Y'all hadn't seen me since 2023. Technically 2022. Because I uploaded one video January 2023, and that was it. It was my Hello 2023 video. So you got the whole 2023, the whole 2024, no content for me. Now, have I recorded YouTube videos? Yes, I have. Did I upload them? No. I did a day out vlog with friends. I've done a St. Louis travel vlog. I've done a get to know me Q&A. I've done a couple other videos. Can't really remember off the dome, but I just never uploaded them. Did I edit them? Some of them, yes. Some of them, no. But this one, oh, this one's getting uploaded. I don't care if it's 1 minute, 20 minutes. It's getting uploaded. And so, part of my plan to stay consistent is, if need be, to just do very minimal editing. My goal for my YouTube channel is to upload content that doesn't actually require editing, but you know, I can edit if I want to, but it does not require editing. So that would include like videos like this, where I just, you know, get on here, I record, I speak from the heart, and just, you know, vibe out and express gratitude, share inspiration, motivation, things of that sort. So yeah. Hello 2025. 2024, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. 2024 was pretty rough for me. Like, 2024, I would say about 2023, but I the memory, it ain't so good. But 2023, I don't know, 2024 was so crazy. It washed out everything from 2023. So I can't really remember to tell y'all everything, but 2023 was a roller coaster for sure. 2024, I went through a lot. 2024 has helped shape me. I mean, all of the experience in my life has helped shape me into the woman that I am right now, today. But 2024 takes a big, 2024 plays a big part in that. And I will say that everything that I've been through in 2024 has helped me become a stronger woman, a more motivated woman, a more focused woman. And although I have been slacking the past couple months, the mindset shift that doesn't change. Like, once your mindset has shifted into this new space, like, you can't really go back. To go back is crazy. I mean, you can go back, but mentally you know better. So it's just like, what are you doing? But yeah, maybe we can maybe I can share some story times about, some of the things, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, 2024 was a year. For real. And I could say I hate it, but it just taught me a lot. And I don't know, my head hurts right now. My head really hurts. I just wanted to get on here and make this content despite how I really feel. Because I know once I get my day going, once I get to moving and grooving, video probably ain't gonna happen. So I'm trying to get this done for y'all now. But yeah, nothing changes if nothing changes. So make sure y'all get up off your ass and like really get to it. Today should have been started last year, honestly. I'm not too big on like, hey, I'm starting this on the first type stuff. Like, start it now. When it comes to your mind, start now. Start dedicating yourself to it right then and there. If you really want to accomplish something, that is the way to go. That is the way to do it. Just a quick little life update. The last time y'all saw me, I was living in my hometown, Forest City, Arkansas. But back in 2023, February, I got a job here in Memphis, Tennessee. And I was driving back and forth every day to work. And then eventually in June or July, no, it was May, actually. It was May. In May of 2023, I actually moved here. And so, yeah. But where I live now is not where I moved to. I actually moved to this place in July. Was it June or July of 2024? So there's been 2 moves so far since I moved here to Memphis, and I plan on making another move in the summertime of this year. So that'll be 3 moves, and hopefully I'll be settled into the 3rd place until I move to another state. Another state? Another city? No, it'd be another state. Yeah, it'd be another state. But yeah. So, yeah, I moved here. I'm trying to think of what all to tell y'all as far as a life update, because when you don't upload for 2 whole years, everything becomes the norm. So it's like nothing's sticking out to me like, oh, hey, here's some new information to share. Moved to Memphis. I don't know. Maybe I should do like a Q&A so y'all can ask me questions and then I can give y'all answers. But that's like one of the most major things that has happened to me is moving here. I had to get away from Arkansas. I had to. It was just one of those things I needed to do to expand and grow. Some people believe that that's necessary to grow. Some people think that, you know, if you can't grow in your hometown, you can't grow anywhere. And I won't say that either party is neither right or wrong, but I will say for me, it was very much so necessary. I had a huge mental block there, and just the surroundings, like there's nothing there. I have no tools there that I need to grow. Knowing what I want to do with my life, it wasn't possible there. So, since I just thought about it by turning my neck, I did get 2 tags. I got some butterflies, red butterflies, and blue writing that says evolve or remain. Because I don't know, ever since I saw that quote, I just kind of been stuck on that. And I'm like, yeah, you can either evolve your life or you can remain the same. So the choice is yours. And I kind of live by that on a daily. And that's one of the things that gets me going, to keep going, to push harder, to move smarter. It's like, yeah, you're going to either evolve or you're going to remain. One or the other. And I want to keep evolving as much as possible every day. So yeah, y'all, I don't really have much, but this is just my video for today. I will have another video for y'all tomorrow. And if y'all have any suggestions, any questions or anything, just drop them in the comments below. And I will see y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. I feel like I sound so manly right now. My voice, y'all. I just woke up. But yeah, make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all comment. Even if it's just some emojis, just comment, show your girl some love. Share the video. And make sure y'all subscribe if y'all have not done that already. You should have did that first anyways. Duh. And let's enjoy our new year, the new month, the new day. And remember that every day is a new day, is a new opportunity for you to start over, for you to evolve. Love y'all. Bye.